Namaste everyone. In this video we shall find the value of cosecant minus 1410 degrees. For this we need to have some preliminary knowledge about the values of different trigonometric ratios in different quadrants. So when you draw the two coordinate axes, the x-axis and the y-axis on a plane, the two coordinate axis will divide the plane into four regions called as quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios, all the six trigonometric ratios are positive, so A for all. In the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive. Remaining four trigonometric ratios are negative. In the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot are positive. Remaining four trigonometric ratios are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal secant are positive, and the remaining four trigonometric ratios are negative. The first quadrant varies from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The second quadrant varies from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. The third quadrant varies from 180 degrees to 270 degrees. And the fourth quadrant varies from 270 degrees to 360 degrees. Now what if the value is more than 360 degrees? How do we find the value of such a trigonometric ratio, or the value of trigonometric ratio of an angle which is more than 360 degrees? That is what we will be discussing, and as an example we shall find the value of cosecant minus 1410 degrees. There is a trigonometric relation which says that cosecant minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. Cosecant minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. All such relations and trigonometric identities which are useful for class 11 students are available in my YouTube channel in two short videos. You may please refer to those short videos. Now coming back to this, cosecant minus 1410 degrees can be written as minus cosecant 1410 degrees using this relationship. Next, now 1410 degrees is much more than 360 degrees. So how do we express 1410 degrees in terms of 360 degrees should be our next question. So for that, what shall we do? We shall divide 1410 degrees by 360 degrees. 1410 degrees by 360 degrees. So 360 into 3 will give us 1080 degrees. If you subtract, so this will give you 330 degrees. This will give you 330 degrees. So this cosecant 1410 degrees can be written as 360 into 3 plus 360 into 3 plus 330 degrees. This is from the formula which we have learned in lower classes, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That's it. Now here like what does it mean 360 degrees into 3? It means that we have to complete a rotation of 3, or we need to complete 3 rotations to come to this value of 1410 degrees. See, in first rotation from here to here we complete an angle of 360 degrees. In second rotation we complete an angle of 700 degrees, which can be written as 2 into 360 degrees. In third rotation we complete an angle of 3 into 360 degrees. Like this, we need to complete 3 rotations and then further go in anti-clockwise of making an angle of 330 degrees. So this can, because the value of cosecant or any trigonometric ratio will repeat after n multiples of 360 degrees, we can write cosecant 360 into 3 plus 330 as minus cosecant 330 degrees, minus cosecant 330 degrees. Here it has completed 3 rotations. In fact, it is applicable for any even number of rotations. So we can just write a statement which will be helpful in solving other problems as well. So the values of trigonometric ratios, will repeat after n multiples of 360 degrees. Here what does n refer to? N refers to the integer. In this case, in this problem, what is the value of n? It is 3. So now coming back to this, cosecant minus 1410 degrees can be written as minus cosecant 330 degrees. Now how do we write 330 in terms of 360? So cosecant 330 degrees is 360 minus 30 degrees. A question may arise like, why are we expressing 330 in terms of 360 minus 30 degrees? The reason is, we know trigonometric ratios of acute angles, the angles between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and the trigonometric ratios of 0 and 90 degrees. So we need to express 330 degrees as an angle between 0 and 90 degrees, or as 0 degrees and 90 degrees. That's why I have done it like this. I've written 330 as 360 minus 30 degrees. Remember, cosecant 360 minus theta will be equal to plus or minus cosecant theta. What is theta here? Theta refers to acute angle. Now why plus or minus, or how do we decide this plus or minus? Will depend on the quadrant, and the trigonometric ratio. Here 360 minus 30, so 360 minus 30, 360 will be from here to here, minus 30 means we have to go back in clockwise, and it's clear that 360 minus 30 degrees or 330 degrees lies between 270 degrees and 360 degrees, and that means it is referring to the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, only cos and its reciprocal secant are positive, remaining trigonometric ratios are negative, and cosecant is one of the other trigonometric ratios other than cos and secant, therefore it will also be negative. Anyways, using this here, so it is minus. Now we know that cosecant 360 minus 30 degrees will lie in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cosecant is negative, so I'll put a minus here, and then instead of is plus or minus, but I know it is minus now because in the fourth quadrant cosecant is negative. So cosecant theta is how much here? Theta will be equal to 30 degrees. So minus into minus is plus, so cosecant 30 degrees. If you know the value of cosecant 30 degrees directly as plus 2, we can just write it as 2 here. Or if you don't remember the value of cosecant 30, you know that cosecant 30 can be written as 1 by sine 30, and this is 1. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this will 1 by 1 by 2 will give us 2 again. So this is the value of cosecant minus 1410 degrees. So what is the value of cosecant minus 1410 degrees? The value of cosecant minus 1410 degrees is equal to 2. We have solved this problem completely. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you again.